A rare poor delivery from the youngster.
Swing in the mid, they've all gone up the entire Bangladesh.
So I recommend that you change your decision from not out to out. I'll let you know when you're on screen. On screen signal now.
He's out. Big Nick in the first innings. He got out instead edging the ball to the wicketkeeper in this one. In the second innings, outside edge to the wicketkeeper, and he's not convinced. Shan Masood again. It has been a sorry test match for him. Nothing.
What a brilliant piece of bowling. And Liton Das, who has been absolutely magnificent behind the stumps. Oh, just away from the keeper, but it's probably off the pads. Leg by signalled.
Well, that's what he can do. Babar Azam. It's just a touch short. And he's played that beautifully on the offside square of the wicket for a boundary. Dropped. You know, aerial, not from the middle part of the bat, but it'll still pick up a boundary. Not a shot of authority, but it'll still take it.
Oh, short ball, and Abdullah Shafiq gets lucky. Took his eye off it, tried to duck underneath. It's not his natural way of playing the short ball. Gets 4 for it, but...
Extra bounce allows him to free his arms. Nice looking shot. Using the pace and, of course, sits nice and pretty in front of the eye line.
Oh, he's got it! He's got it! Shots on! Babar Azam will be so disappointed with that. Just as we said, he's been bowling too short. He pitches one up and gets the dangerous Babar.
He's been looking for that fuller lens, been bowling those Yorker lens. This time full and wide, and Babar went for it. Tried to drive that and gets the inside part of the bat and chops it onto the stumps. Have a look at that. His eyes lit up, trying to work it through extra, and plays it on. And the rattling sound just tells him that that's that. The young man gets the big reward. Nahid gets the big fish. Babar Azam goes for 22. Pakistan now 66 for 3. Oh, he's gone. He's walked right through that. That was a brain fade moment for sure. He just walked right through with that shot. He was nowhere behind the line of the ball, and Saud Shakil has gone for no score.
What has he done here? Wow, wow, wow. One ball to go. And he dances down and whoa, that's a good bit of bowling, isn't it? Ball just straightens on him. What a wicket. First career duck. And what a time for it in Test cricket. Saud Shakil, who got a big 100 in the first innings, goes for 0. It's 67 for 4.
A lovely shot through the offside. Rizwan, the informed batter, gets it to the fence. And goes short this time. Rizwan hits this extremely well. And that too will go to the fence.
Yeah, counter-attack off the surface, and that's why he was unable to get the ball. Is it true? He looks tired now. He looks tired now, Nahid Rana. Another half volley in this over.
This time pulled away, and that'll be another boundary, so runs really flowing. Shakib just missing his length.
Yeah, it seems like he found a way to bowl against Rizwan, looking to bowl really full. Fetch the ball from outside the off stump. He's not going to hang back. He's looking for boundaries. Rizwan, 100 on the board.
Abdullah Shafiq tries his luck, and there is that wicket. He tries to hit him down the ground. Shakib with the wicket. What an important wicket this is.
Oh, they are in this game. That's for sure, Bangladesh. You know, as a batsman, you should have realized that the spinner is only going to get the ball turning away from outside the off stump. He jumped out of the crease on a ball which was pitched outside the off stump. A bit of grip. Outside edge. And Shakib has broken through. Once again, 2 for him. Pakistan in dire straits. Abdullah Shafiq goes for 37. It's 104 for 5.
Another one! Straight away! That is a brilliant catch at first slip. Shadman Islam takes the catch. Bangladesh is driving forward.
What a catch. And what bowling from the off-spinner. The first ball he bowled, it was a slider. Salman Ali Agha was looking for a turn, wasn't there. Enough deviation.
Oh, that's kept low and that's kept straight. That's another one. Oh, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, you are on the verge of history.
Another one bites the dust. That's what they were thinking about, because the cracks have started to open on day 5 on the surface. Look how low that is, and literally unplayable. It is important to bowl on stumps. If you miss it, you're in business. It's the second over after lunch, and Majors and Mirage has picked up his second. He goes for 2. Pakistan in all sorts of trouble. It's 1-1-1 for 7. Gone. He's trying to heave it out of the ground. All he manages to do is hit it straight to the fielder. And it's Mushfiqur Rahim who takes the catch. And another wicket is taken by the spinner. They're inching towards to create history. And it's Shakib Al Hasan who's picked up his third.
This is special stuff from Bangladesh. Not quite special from Naseem Shah. Pressure's got into him. Has into Bangladesh. Shakib Al Hasan has 3. Bangladesh have 8. They're looking for 2 more. He goes back for 3. It's 1-1-8 for 8.
The ball wasn't doing too much. It was just ordinary shot selection. That was better. Signature sweeps shot by Rizwan for a boundary. He's looking for boundaries, and this is the right approach.
Clips it into the leg side, will bring up another 50. 10 50s in Test cricket. The crowd applauds as well. He backs it up with a mammoth 171 not out in the first innings. Oh, he's chopped it on! Mehdi celebrates as Pakistan are now 9 down. Bangladesh need 1 more, and then enough just to chase the lead down.
What was he thinking? Oh dear. Another one goes. Another one with their head down. Wondering what they've just done. That was a bizarre option. The ball was going across the right-hander. There's no turn to speak of. And another batsman drags one on, Mehdi Miraz. Well, he's absolutely delighted. But he has to go. 51. Bowled by Mehdi. 142 for 9.
Blue World City. That's a real spank. No pick up. Go for it, Karim Shahzad. There was a half tracker there to be put away.
Come the end of this test match. Either way, there's a big appeal. Is it just outside the line? He's given it. He's given it. I wonder whether they'll review this. They will.
That's gone past, and it'll be a boundary. Trying to flick off his legs, leading edge, in the gap.
Yeah, take 4 more off. What Bangladesh now require is 16. Brilliant. Nicely clipped off, and has the timing to trickle into the fence. Strike 4 more off. Bangladesh now require 12. Shot. Punch away through the covers, punch through the gap. It's in single figures now for Bangladesh. They require 8.
And the fine answers quickly. 4 more. There you go. Bangladesh go on to create history. And they're all up in the stand standing and applauding the 2 youngsters who will remember this forever. Incredible. Simply incredible. It's a sight to behold. Not only have they dominated this test match, but they've gone on to beat Pakistan for the very first time, would you believe it, by 10 wickets.
After an intriguing day of Test cricket on